Hello dear travelers, welcome in another video where I will show you how does it look like the Japanese garden in the city of Hasselt here in Belgium. That is an event that is for first time here in the Japanese garden, and from what I see so far it's really very beautiful. Luminate, yes, you can see here, that is the writing Luminate. It's really very beautiful, but the only problem is that the event is late in the evening and now it's 9 p.m. It's a little bit late, but from what I see so far is definitely worth it. The ticket costs €12.80 per person per adult. You can pay online or here and simply go and enjoy your time with these beautiful lights.